Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question together. So the tip of the umbilical venous catheter is most likely located in or at. Pause the slide, zoom the picture, take a look. Okay, the correct response here is left portal vein. And let me explain why it is. So when you have time, just go through these references, and these references really explain it very well. But we have summarized here for better explanation. So basically, there are few possibilities where the UVC can go. So let's first try to solve this thing out. So this is the umbilical venous catheter. It went through the recess to the left portal vein, and then this is still the continuation of left portal vein. And the reason is, just look at this. So this is the umbilical vein. So the catheter goes here. This is the recess. It went to the left portal vein, and then it curved back and it just stayed here. So the trick is, remember 4, that whenever the catheter turns right, it's still a possibility that the catheter is in the left portal vein. If it is advanced further, then of course this catheter will go to the right portal vein. So again, so if this catheter goes this way and then you see that way, that is right. So this is a possibility. If the catheter goes this way, turns back and just stay barely on the right side of the catheter line, so it's still in the left portal vein. So that's the tricky part. Rest is very easy to understand. So let's summarize in the next slide. So what are the possibilities here? So let's start with the one. So the catheter goes here and get stuck at the recess. So this is the first possibility. So let's rub it off. The second possibility is the best, which we want, is like, the catheter goes to the recess and go to the ductus and then go to the right place. So that is the best one to have. What about the third choice? So in third, the catheter turns here on the left and then curl back. If the catheter stays up to barely on the right side of the catheter line, is still in the left portal vein. But if this goes beyond that, then this is on the right. So like, again, to reiterate 4, remember that if the catheter turns back or is barely on, like, let's say a millimeter of the right side of the catheter line, is still in the left portal vein. Although when it crosses farther, like it goes, like, easy to remember, if it's deep and crosses the mid of the liver, suppose the liver is shaped this way, let's make it a liver, so something like that. So if you see the catheter going crossing the midway of the liver, is probably on the right portal vein. Easy to remember. If it still stays near to the left lobe, or you can remember like that, it's in the left portal vein. So that is easy to remember. Now, what are the other possibility? The last possibility is the catheter goes this way and then turn back here. So that way you will see a bend. So whenever you see in radiology a catheter going right and then bending down, if it bend down, then it is in the main portal vein. I know it looks a little confusing, but honestly it's not that. Always remember the few possibilities. If you remember this diagram, it's very easy to remember the possibilities where venous catheter can go. And just writing that the catheter is in the liver is a very vague way of doing it. If you can really make it out, although the solution is the same, the catheter is to come out if it's an abnormal position, but it's good to know where the catheter is. That way, we know the anatomy of it. So I hope you guys have learned something together today. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.